Namaskar. Curry leaves or curry patta are widely used in our Indian meals. They are very much used in Indian cooking and medicine. It's a small green leaf with a distinct flavor and fragrance and is commonly used in Indian cuisines. They have numerous medicinal and nutritional benefits as well as cosmetic uses also. Today, I am going to share the powerful benefits of this amazing herb, which will surely convince you to use this amazing leaf in your diet and otherwise. First, anti-diabetic property. Curry leaf facilitates the generation of insulin in the body and hence has a hypoglycemic effect, which aids in the control of blood sugar level. Curry leaves' high fiber content shows the breakdown of carbohydrate into glucose, which helps to maintain blood glucose level in check. Chew 8 to 10 curry leaves first in the morning with empty stomach. Make sure you chew it well to gain its benefit. The leaves should mix well with our saliva, or you could make a juice of these leaves and drink them in the morning. Second, it enhances hair growth. Curry leaves prevents premature graying of hair and protects the hair from damage. It protects against hair loss, dandruff, and itchy scalp. Curry leaf moisturizes the scalp to strengthen hair follicles and it promotes hair growth. Take 20 to 30 curry leaves and rinse them in water. In a pan, take 3 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil and add them with curry leaf. Boil the oil till the leaves turn black. Now turn off the gas and let the oil cool at the room temperature. Your amazing hair tonic is ready. Apply this oil twice a week and get a healthy and shiny hair. Third, promotes weight loss. Curry leaf contains carbazole alkaloid compound, which helps to prevent weight gain, lowers LDL, which is a bad cholesterol compound in the bloodstream. Curry leaves offer detoxifying molecules. It cleanses our body and helps us reduce the fat. Take a glass of water, boil 10 to 20 curry leaves in a glass of water. You should boil this for 4 to 5 minutes. Now strain this to remove the leaves. To improve taste and flavor, squeeze half a lemon and add few drops of honey in that. Your powerful fat burning tea is ready. Drink this concoction with an empty stomach in the morning. Fourth, it is effective against morning sickness. Curry leaves are extremely useful for pregnant ladies in the morning sickness. It is a safe option for both mother and child because it is completely natural herb. You can either have curry leaf tea or prepare this simple tonic. Blend 10 to 20 leaves. Then squeeze the paste in a muslin cloth to extract the juice. To this, add 1 teaspoonful of lime juice and pinch of jaggery. Have this every morning to get rid of morning sickness. Fifth, it improves digestion. Curry leaves is digestive and has anti-dysentery properties. It really helps in digestion and also prevents constipation. It prevents constipation, diarrhea, dysentery and bloating. It has a mild laxative quality that helps eliminate waste from the stomach in a better way. It also improves appetite because it is a natural stimulant. We Indians are quite familiar with curry leaf or curry patta because we usually use curry leaves in our meal preparation like poha, upma, pulao and curry. Also curry leaf and coriander chutney is very commonly prepared in our household. Try preparing this simple curry leaf mouth freshener and use it after food. It will enhance the digestive process. Take around 30 to 40 curry leaves, keep them under the hot sun for a few days and let them dry completely and make a thin nice powder out of it. Now roast 3 to 4 tablespoonfuls of fennel or soft seeds. Mix it well with the crushed curry leaves. Store this tasty mouth freshener in an airtight bottle. 6. Boosts immunity. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidant that helps us stay healthy and helps us in preventing numerous problems. They protect us from oxidative damage, which can lead to disorders of neurological system, cardiovascular system and kidney. Ingredients: 30 to 40 curry leaves, 1 lemon, 1 inch ginger, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder or 1 slice of turmeric, 2 amla or 1 teaspoonful of amla powder, a pinch of black salt or Himalayan pink salt. In a blender, add curry leaves, ginger, amla and turmeric to make a paste. Add a little water to dilute the paste and then filter it. Squeeze a few drops of lemon and add a pinch of salt to taste. Have this drink daily to boost your immunity. 7. Enriches skin texture. Curry leaves can help to release skin irritation and rashes, as well as it enhances skin texture. It also protects the skin from free radicals, making it soft and healthy. Take multani mitti and half a teaspoonful of curry leaf powder, then add a few drops of rose water and make a fine paste. Apply it all over your face and neck. Wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes. Multani mitti absorbs excess oil while also hydrating and healing the skin. Rose water is a natural toner that can help firm, sagging skin. So now you know how much benefits curry leaves can give you. They have varieties of natural therapeutic property that can be used to treat or prevent several ailments. So remember to add curry leaves to your daily diet. Either have a drink in the morning or use it in various preparations. Also, try face pack and hair oil of this wonderful herb, curry leaves. Use it and take the advantage. Namaskar.